on the names of poor people. Illegal means illegal. Either it's poor, it's richer. Don't matter what they are. And
Let's talk about real sufferers. Let's talk about real sufferers. The middle class family who paying EMIs, shopkeepers paying rent and taxes, builders following.
So good morning. Bah. Very good. I like it. Good morning. Good morning. Now we need your energy, because they are going to fight. You need to shout. I'm giving assignment to everyone. All right. This debate will astonish you, okay, because the topic is very hot. We should keep hot topic in this chilled weather. हाँ, because मौसम का पता नहीं था तो मैंने टॉपिक ही हॉट रख लिया. Topic is really very hot, because a lot of people nowadays out of their homes, they are homeless because of the action against them. Okay, action against them. Yes, I'm talking about encroachment, illegal encroachment happening in India. Okay. Everywhere. All right. So government is taking action against them. And they pray from them, please forgive me, because also we are human. We are human beings. Okay, we need to, because humanity first. Okay, humanity first. Okay, but rule and laws is nothing. Laws are also very important. Okay, because you want to have a country with laws. Okay, you cannot make your house in front of my house. Okay, and after 30 years you will tell me this is now mine. Okay, so I will take support from the government and rule and regulations, and this is completely illegal. Okay, but I don't want to look, okay, bias. I want to look in the center because I am. Okay, where is humanity? Do you not have humanity? Okay, you live in the country of Mother Teresa. Okay, there people think about humanity. Can you kick anybody out of their house? Okay, where were you when they started making their buildings there? जब उसने वहाँ पे building बनाया तो where were you? Tell me. You provided them electricity bill. You provided them all the connections, gas connections. Okay, and after 30 years, 20 years, okay, they claim that this property is mine. Okay, and you started kicking them out of their house. First give them notice, okay? All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, you understand the topic. Topic is it right to demolish the illegal structures? Public, what do you think? Is it right to demolish the illegal structures, houses? क्या ये सही है? All right. Mixed opinion is coming from this side. Is it right or wrong? It's wrong or right? Be loud, yaar. It's wrong. It's right. I got confused, okay? So they will decide. If it is right, you will see. And if that is not right, you will see. So let's welcome the first speaker, the first panelist, okay? And her name is Nikki ma'am. No. she's feeling like, how can I come there, because this is not my topic. Anyways, I wanna call Mrs. Dipti ma'am. Actually, can you please give a huge round of applause to Dipti ma'am? Okay. All right. Have you sit.
Thank you.
Okay. That's fine. Sit. Now, in her opposition, okay, and his name is. Can you raise your hands, please? The participant. Where are you? Oh, one person is sitting backside. Can I call you, Mr. Chandrajit? Please. Give a huge round of applause to Mr. Chandrajit, okay? And followed by Mr. Kaf from Husaina, okay? All right, let's see. Let's see who wins, okay? Please have yourself last but not the least. And he is the pillar of SMB English, okay? And this SMB English is standing on one pillar, and that pillar's name is Mr. Kaushik Basu. Please. Yes, please. All right. Now, my time is over, okay? अभी है हम इस दुनिया में,
Hello.
right?
Good morning, everyone. Respected judges, dear sir, and dear parents. Today we are in debate the demolition of illegal encroachment. Today I stand firmly in support of the demolition of illegal encroachment. Let me ask simple question. If breaking law is acceptable because it is widespread, then what is the purpose of law at all? Encroachment is not poverty. It is illegality. Roads, footpaths, lakes, railway lands are very meant for public, not for private encroachers. When such spaces are captured, the entire society suffers. My opponents may argue about emotions and hardship. I agree, humanity matters. But compassion cannot replace the Constitution. If illegal structures are allowed to stay, honest citizens who follow the law are punished, while lawbreakers are rewarded. Demolition is not revenge. Demolition is restoration of justice.
What a nice point. So, thank you, ma'am. You have given a very good point.
Okay,
that,
thank you, thank you.
We must have to follow the law and the strict rules and all of that. But for your kind information, I want to say we are the citizen of a country, and which is a democratic country. And democratic country says that it is the for the people, of the people, and by the people. All laws and every rules are for the people. Because even above and every laws, we have our constitution, and constitution gives a right of fundamental rights. And as per the Article 21, it says about everyone has to live life with the dignity. It says, so if we are like laws and everything is fine. But where our right? Can you say?
Let me ask some question. If stealing of 20 years makes you poor, it is illegal? Is it legal?
Is it legal?
Tell me. The Supreme Court of India has clearly stated encroachers are trespassers. There are no constitutional, moral, or legal protection for illegal occupation.
Ma'am, I think you have mentioned the Supreme Court of India, but I think your information is incomplete. Because Supreme Court of India also focuses on the due process of the laws. And because of the Article 300A, which focuses on the right of the land. And you know, Supreme Court in the case of the Olga Teli cases in 24 July 2024, it talks about that we must have to follow the due process, proper notice, proper rehabilitation, and proper time for demolishing any estate.
Mr. Chanjit, as you are talking about the proper notice, let me give you one proof. This is written by Ravi Kumar, a Time News Network reporter, not any local journalist. It is a journalist over the world. He written a notice that Begusrai Municipal Corporation (BMC) had issued notice on owner of unauthorized shops earlier, those who has put up illegal structures along with the highway were all served. However, they failed to remove their structure, forcing us to launch the operation, and science added. Mr. Chanjit, let me tell you when this report has been written. This report has been written on the 9:16 o'clock at 16th of November 2022. It is mentioned at 2022 that notice has been given. So after a 2 year, why won't we are able to demolish this all encroachment?
As you said, great, and I appreciate it. But here we have to follow. The main thing, we are human. We need human treat. And they are not treating in a right way. They are treating in a wrong way. Yes, we are living in illegal encroachment. It's fine. But we need legal treatment. You are ignoring. You are just looking. It's a constitutional, it's a law.
Well, please, Mike.
It's a law, and we will live our life according to the law. Who is following law? When we say, according to the constitution, we are raising our voice. They say, you wrote the constitution, you wrote the constitution. What does it mean? What does it mean?
Illegal is illegal. Every time demolition is discussed, the opposite start crying. People will lose homes, livelihood will destroyed. But where was the sympathy? When roads are blocked, drainage are choked, rivers are uncrossed, fire engines could not enter slums.
Wow, well, nice point.
Emotion cannot override law.
Right, right.
Country is governed by rules, not by tears.
Oh, wow, what a nice way. Country is ruled by.
As you know, for your kind information, ma'am, I want to cite you on the very precious things, that is, in the illegal demolitions, every time it can be seen that there are 70% cases by the reports of the CAC. There are 70% cases we are only demolishing the poor and the marginalized peoples.
Don't
And
try,
we are-
Mr. Chanjit.
Please listen to me first. Please listen to me. And in the most of the cases, they are biased. There are many mafias. They have farmhouses, banquet halls in the illegal lands, but government is supporting them in the that.
Mr. Chanjit, first of all, don't try to manipulate our audience on the names of poor people. Illegal means illegal. Either it's poor, it's richer. Don't matter what they are.
Let's talk about real sufferers.
Okay, but-
Let's talk about real sufferers. The middle class family who paying EMIs, shopkeepers paying rent and taxes, builders following approvals, and then someone comes, occupies public land and for free and demands protection in the justice. Is it justice?
Oh, ma'am, yeah, you have given a very good point. But I want to highlight your point on this aspect that India is a country is going to become developed by 2047. It has aimed to become the developed nation in the 2047. And we have signed the dignitaries of the Sustainable Development Goals. And Sustainable Development Goals number 1 talked about the no poverty. Goal number 11 talked about the reducing of inequality. In our country, that 70% of wealth are in the hands of only 10% people. That's true. That's true.
Mr. Chandri, let me reply to you that as you are talking about the India is going to be growth, for developing our country, we are trying to demolish all the illegal areas because multinational companies are not allowed to build factories in the crop field areas. Government can't give the land to them. That's why government are trying to give the cities land to them to construct a hospital, make and construct factories.
Okay, nice.
For development, we need this all.
Actually, when we start demolition,
We found 8,000 liter of illegal.
it's not a correct information. It's not a right information.
Okay.
I have researched about it. It's not a right information.
Okay.
You have wrong information. Okay. Let me speak. With the help of whenever we start demolition, then we start demolition steadily. We never think, we never see what is in the front, and with that we demolish in the innocent people houses. Is this right? This is law. Law is blind. Law is blind.
Don't try to blackmail government. Don't try to blackmail government.
Yes, you're right.
Don't try to blackmail government.
I'm not blind. I have information.
Okay.
इन जम्मू एंड कश्मीर जर्नलिस्ट अरफाज का घर डिमोलिश किया गया। जम्मू डेवलपमेंट अथॉरिटी JDA ने कहा कि घर इंक्रोचमेंट यानी अवैध रूप से राज्य या सरकारी जमीन पर है, इसलिए इसे हटाया गया। पत्रकार का दावा है कि यह उसकी खुद की जमीन थी जिस पर वे 40 साल से रह रहे थे। बिना वजह यह कार्रवाई हुई। आफ्टर दैट गवर्नमेंट सेड, इस घटना के बाद सरकार ने पूरी छानबीन इंक्वायरी की। इंक्वायरी का वादा भी किया पर कुछ नहीं किया।
सुनिए क्या पूरी सुनिए।
Because that was wrong. Because that was illegal in the government land. That was in government land.
You listen to each other. What is this? Listen to each
बाद
other.
में एक हिंदू
Your
पड़ोसी
turn.
ने 5 मरला जमीन गिफ्ट की पत्रकार को ताकि वो अपनी नई घर बना सके और वो रह सके। यह सरकार का नहीं बल्कि व्यक्तिगत का मदद का मामला है। It's not a government place, it's a individual. Okay.
It's all right.
If you talk about encroachment by government, let me tell you the great personality of India. I think you all knows the Kangana Ranaut. Everybody knows. In September 2020, the government BMC has demolished her properties due to the illegal encroachment. That time no one raised their voice. Why? Because she is a rich.
Right.
These-
looking very firm today.
These guys are manipulating us on the names of poor. Let me tell you the second member of India, Mr. Kapil Sharma, a great comedian.
Right. Nobody knows it.
2016.
Everybody knows.
In 2016, government has demolished his house also. Why don't you try to take his name? Because that time government was right and these people were wrong. Let me take the third.
Use mic well, sir. Mic.
Let me take the name of third participants. All knows Muhammad Sadid. In September 2025, recently, 3 months ago,
Yes.
his house was demolished. His family was unhoused due to the illegal encroachment. Who is Muhammad Sajid? He is an Olympic winner. Why don't you raise your voice against these all things? Let me tell you a fourth number members, Naga Arjun. Do you know Naga Arjun? In August 2024, the government has demolished his house also. Why didn't you talk about them?
This is sad. They are biased. Yes.
Don't take the names of.
Don't snatch his child. This is not very extensive, actually. Yeah.
I want to say you have given a lots of persons names that we have demolished and government have also demolished the all persons' houses. But don't you think the data given by the Ministry of Housing Affairs that talked about that we are lacking in the rehabilitation facilities? It's not about demolishing any person's house and all the things. Where we are lacking in the unities. We are lacking in the rehabilitation policies. About 1.8 crore housing by the Ministry of Housing Affairs, and in which there are 95% urban poor, they are not rural poor.
If you will talk about rehabilitation, can you tell me whom we should give rehabilitation?
He will tell you what is this.
No,
There are
no,
rules.
sir. There are rules.
Yeah.
There are rules, and government, the Supreme Court tells they give the rehabilitation those who don't have lands and don't give to the person who are illegally living there. Give the land who are legally living there.
Okay, did you give them?
If government provide every encroacher's land for rehabilitation,
We will occupy Pakistan.
Pakistan, yes, you're right.
Yeah, I also need some houses. Okay.
Yeah.
We are, as a citizens of India, being an Indian, government has its own duty to provide lands for them, those who don't have even a shelter, even a food to live.
They are criminals, yeah. They are criminals.
Then we are
Right, yeah, they are. Illegal is illegal.
you say that they are criminals?
How can you say? Do you have any evidence?
Sir,
Because
Sir.
they are breaking laws.
sir, selling mahua, country liquor is a legal thing. Can you tell me? In In Begusrai traffic chalk area, government found 8,000 liter illegal countries liquor. Is this right? Is this legal thing? How can you say? By encroaching the areas, government got. Sir,
You are giving the government value to a cosmetic fix. You are giving the government value to a cosmetic fix. You are only focusing on the liquor and mahua, whatever you say, on those aspects of that. You didn't focus. You can take practical examples. Even now in the every villages, there are even teenagers are selling the liquor. I can give you examples on the Ganga Ghat. You can go and search. Many people are selling the liquors in front of everyone.
You saw there? You saw?
Yes, I have seen from my eyes.
Then what is your responsibility?
My responsibility.
Why did you complain to the police?
I have complained,
And what is
but
your
the
responsibility?
government failure, but the government failure and bureaucratic failure. They just take some money.
Don't divert the topic. Don't divert the topic.
As you have given the cosmetic fix on the government failure, so I have given you this point.
Mr. Chanjit, as government do anything wrong, you started raising your voice against the government. Government high. Now why don't you raise your voice against that all? Why don't you say mahua wale band karo? Means
You are not a responsible citizen.
it directly shows that you will do illegal work, I will support you. But if government will do anything for the state, I don't help government.
Okay. Listen. We are not against the government. We are with the government. And whatever government is doing, we are observing, we are looking carefully. And in that matter, in that case, we are observing what is right and what is wrong.
I
And
want to
let me
say
speak,
something.
Let me speak. The name of development, you are encroaching, you are demolishing the illegal encroachment, and after that, nothing development, no any development.
1 minute.
happens in our
Listen me.
city.
Listen me. If illegal encroachments are protected today, then tomorrow laws become optional. Honesty becomes foolish. India becomes ungovernable. Demolition is not anti-poor. Encroachment is anti-nation.
Ma'am, I think you are unaware of the issues in our country. You know about Dharavi slum of the Mumbai. These are the slums older than 30 to 40 years. And they have the voter ID cards, they are paying electricity bills, they are even paying taxes of around 500 crore. But why government is not paying on that?
I asked you in the starting if stealing for 20 years make you poor, does it make you legal? Does you make it legal?
If it is illegal, then why they have taken power, Bijli? How they have taken?
They are daily needs.
Without evidence.
They are daily needs for him.
So
You saw even the slum areas. If there will be mishappening, then even not any ambulance or not any fire engine will go there, and you will blame you will blame government and system. What is this?
okay. If one house is burning, then in this village, if one house is burning, and we will see his house is burning, my house is not burning, and we don't know that fire can spread in all over the village, and it can burn our house as well.
How could the fire engine go there? Go there because they are blocking the road and everything.
I want to get you lead from again another things that you are focusing on the demolitions of the illegal encroachment, but we are not focusing on the root causes. Why we are not focusing the root causes?
Their mindset only, dear.
No,
Their
we
mindset.
cannot say like that. You can see
Root causes means-
First, let me speak. About 70 to 80% encroachments are again reshifting again and again. So is it the final conclusion? Demolition is the final conclusion? They are reshifting again and again from one place to another place.
Gentlemen, just tell me, if there is illegal encroachment and government are demolishing your houses, so it won't you won't get the messages that illegal encroachment is banned. You should not do that activity.
Illegal encroachment.
No, no,
must be banned. Must be
just
banned.
follow your rule.
Why
Just
you are
follow
not
your
following-
rule and let me speak.
Why
Just
you are
follow
not
your rule and let me
following
speak.
the
Don't
rule
try to
process?
cut my points.
Where your root causes.
If I am speaking, don't jump in my point. Follow your own rule.
Don't threaten. Don't do this.
Can you tell me what is this? If government first time has demolished your house and you are trying to again demolish, again encroach somewhere else, what is this? This is a very bad mentality.
Okay.
Second
I will
point.
give you data.
Second point, let me speak.
Okay, you can speak.
As you spoke about Mumbai Dharavi, gentlemen, for your information, let me tell you, government has allotted 1 crore houses to them. They put that houses on the rent and they start again living in the slums area. What is this? Can you tell me?
Oh, let me give you an example. As per the data of UNHCR, you know UNHCR, United Nations Human Rights Commissions. United Nations Human Rights Commissions also condemned this act of demolitions. And you know, after the condemnations of any international organizations, it's down our country's ranking. And our country economy will not boost. No other persons will invest in our country. It also works on the, we must have to follow the rehabilitation policy of food cost.
You are supporting the demolition.
Are focusing on these issues in our India, that we are just demolishing them. We are not providing them. Because सत्ता की ताकत इसमें नहीं होती कि आप कितनों के घर उजाड़ दिए. सत्ता की ताकत इसमें होती है कि आप एक गरीब से गरीब तक अपना उठाते.
Don't cry, don't cry, don't cry. Because every demolition makes poor cry. Because they are blackmailing government. They are not doing their responsibility. Every public have responsibility to develop the country. Not to make stuck the roads, the railways, the capture lakes and other things.
What kind of development is going on in Bihar? Tell me.
You need metros, you need highways, and you need hospital, schools also.
It is also constructed. It is also already constructed.
No, not.
Can you tell me where metros are running in the Bihar?
Yeah. You
Guys, have you ever seen metros in Begusrai? Can you tell me? Ma'am, judges, have you ever seen metros in the Begusrai? This what the man is speaking. He said Bihar has already metros. Can you tell me where is it? Just speak what you are trying to speak.
If you need metros, then no legal structure has a right to block the national development.
Are we living in according to the law? Do we are living according to the law? Constitution, Article 14, right to equality.
That's what I am speaking. Article 14, equality. Those people whom Mr. Sanjit called poor people, they are encroaching our
public land.
public land. They are encroaching the properties and we are facing the problems from Khatopur to no. From Khatopur to Har Har Mahadev Chowk. For going by main road, you have to spend 3 hours. For what? For only 4 kilometers, you have to spend 3 hours.
Okay, as you mentioned.
No, what you want to speak about?
Excuse me. Let's
Just
excuse me. Caution.
So don't you think in our India or in our state there is only one vending zones per 1,000 cities? Why we are not providing them vending zones so that they can sell their products? Because they are the citizens of a country who have the right to sell, who have the right to take good employment. Why we are not providing them that place? we can use that place. Why they are reshifting again? Even government just demolished. We can make them for place for the vending zones.
To provide them a shop and their job, we need to capture our land.
No.
Tell me, we need to capture our land, public land. He had to right to acquire the public land. He has right.
Ma'am, you don't know, as you are in the upper level and you are living under the roof. Go and ask those people their pain. And they are not capturing, they are forced to capture.
Government is doing the right thing. You know, government is doing the right thing. If government is not doing anything, then you always blame the government is not doing anything.
What is the
And
actual
the
meaning
government
of,
is doing right now, then what are you doing? What are you? You always cry, and always.
what is the meaning? Okay, listen, we are not crying. We are telling the reality. Okay, what is the meaning of rehabilitation? What is the meaning of rehabilitation?
It means those person who are living legally at anywhere, and if government need that place, government will give some rehabilitation. Not to illegal person, not to illegal person. It is mentioned rehabilitation is given to those who are living legally, not illegally.
Oh, where?
Guys, just okay, you want to government to stop the demolition. Let me tell you, near Kavar Lake, people have started in crossing and government didn't do anything till now. What happened? In 2012, the area was 6,786 hectares. But in 2018, it's become only 2,032 hectares. And right now, in 2018, report says 89 hectares left Kavar Lake areas. What is this? Means you want this happens to all over the Indias. Gentlemen, let me complete my point. Don't try to jump in my point.
Let them say.
Let me complete my point. And I'm not talking about on my own side. I'm talking from the Ashok Ghosh, a scientist and chairman of Bihar State Pollution Control Board. This report has been published by the scientist and a chairman of Bihar Pollution Control Board. What is this? Only 89 hectares left till 2018, and God knows it will be 50 hectares till now.
Okay, I think we have to stop here. Okay, wait. Can I have the mic? Okay.
All right. Now public round. Can you please support here? No, please. Public के पास अगर
We have emotions. We are peoples. We need to know, understand about that things also.
Ma'am,
Excuse me. The time is
Emotion is not nothing.
Where is my
ma'am, I got your point. Don't worry, I got your point. I understand whole the sentences which you have
I want to
spoken.
ask one more question. That
question after question now? How can we reply?
Can overrule the constitution.
okay, we want to resolve that things. Okay,
Yeah.
हम गरीबी खत्म करना चाहते हैं. Okay, that things want to resolve. गरीबी and that
We are not talking
अतिक्रमण.
about the poority.
हम गरीबी खत्म ही नहीं कर रहे हैं. We
Ma'am,
are
ma'am.
snatching. गरीबी खत्म कर दे रहे हैं
People
भाई.
are very emotional actually today. Time भी होता है कुछ. That's fine. That's fine. Thank you very much. You made a beautiful point.
Okay,
Clap
thanks.
for this lady. I know. First, that man has to be given a question. एक ही बार जवाब दे देंगे, please.
I have question from this person.
This person. बहुत खुशी हुई इसको question मिला. Clap for it.
When I build my building on your land, then what will you do? If you are supporting the illegal building demolition on illegal land is not right, then what are you doing when I build my building on your land? Then what?
See, it's not about today this process. This process is right, absolutely right. But we are not following the due process. We are not following the proper notice, proper rehabilitation.
But why, bro? You illegal building पे अगर तुम illegal land पे अगर तुम अपना घर बनाते हो तो तुम सरकार को ये नोटिस भेजते हो कि मैं illegal जमीन पे अपना घर बना रहा हूँ. Then why government will send you a notice?
See, it's in the hand of the government to scrutinize all the process and monitor all the lands acts and all the lands paper.
Okay.
So government is approving these because of the corrupt bureaucratic person.
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू, बिकॉज टाइम का भी सोचो ना, ये लोग मतलब जाने के लिए परेशान है यार. एक्चुअली प्लीज साकिब लीव इट. द लास्ट क्वेश्चन.
Question from
Okay, let him finish.
I have question from Kaf and Chandrajit. That what do you think that is it fair to the taxpayer who buy land legally and others who can occupy public land for free?
लिया तो फिर बताओ का मतलब हम लोग नहीं खरीदेंगे आपसे, कब्जा करेंगे और क्या? हाँ, क्वेश्चन इज गुड एक्चुअली. आई कांट आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन एक्चुअली, प्लीज.
As you said, but don't you think there are lots of cases on the lands? Persons are buying on the same lands again and again. Why this is happening? You know,
You can answer it. Don't ask.
this is just the government's failure.
Government failure. Answer अच्छा. Now you please bind up.
Yeah. Ma'am, may I have your attention please? As you asked a question, did government notice? First of all, have you given notice to government before building houses on the property of government? Second thing, as you are asking about the notice.
No cross question. Please understand my pain. Huh?
Second point, you are asking about the notice by the government. It is given, it is proof in my hand that government has given the notice. And this notice has been issued at 16th November 2022. What do you think? Every year, every month, government will give you notice that remove your house, remove your house. Ati ka ant hoga. And second point, sir, second point. ये बात बताइए, आपके हाथ में अगर घाव हो और अभी छोड़ दिया आप, बाद में वो बढ़ गया, तो क्या अब उसको पूरे शरीर पे चढ़ने दीजिएगा या उसको खत्म कीजिएगा?
I can't give you extra time. You're doing border. Please understand. Last, ये लड़का नहीं देंगे, भाग जाएगा यार. अब इधर. अभी डिबेट करवाएगा आपका.
What kind of law is this? Sir, could you please listen to me? What kind of law is this? At night, 3 a.m., they come with bulldozers and they started demolition. What kind of law is this? This is law? This is law? Before demolition, there are 4 criteria according to the Constitution, Article 14, right to equality. First, notice. Second, survey. Third, hearing. Fourth, rehabilitation. What kind of condition is this?
Again. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. No? All right. So thank you, all the participants. I know calls are coming, okay? And you guys have done exceptionally well. But ये मेरा word सिर्फ सांत्वना देने के लिए है. बाकी तो they will decide. All right. Okay. Thank you. Please give a huge round of applause to them.